Hi, I'm Len McCarthy. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel, which features ukulele play-alongs in keys that are ideal for playing and singing, which sometimes differ from the original versions. My goal in arranging these songs is to use strumming, chords, and other playing techniques that work best to capture the feeling and groove of each song. If you'd like a free PDF of any of the arrangements you hear in these videos, just email me at len@music@greengables.com and I'll send it out to you right away. No strings attached, and if you subscribe, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which I do about every week or so. These videos are a mix of easy and more challenging arrangements in a wide variety of genres, performed by one or two players, up to larger ensembles that sometimes include U-bass, keyboard, percussion, and other instruments. I lead a jam group in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada, and also give ukulele workshops with the option to participate on Zoom. So if you're interested in any of that, go to music@greengables.com for all the details. Thanks for your support and for joining fans from all over the world enjoying our music. Please let us know where you're from in the comments, and we hope that our music will bring some ukulele joy to your day. Take care. See you around.